नमस्कार। आज के मुख्य समाचार। आज आप इस वर्ष के अंतिम सत्र के आखिरी समाचार सुनने जा रहे हैं। हमारा यह प्रयोग सभी सदस्यों को कार्यक्रमों से अवगत कराने के लिए किया गया था, जो कि बहुत सफल हुआ। यही नहीं, इसके द्वारा सदस्यों को एक दूसरे को जानने का मौका भी मिला। अब सुनिए इस सत्र में हुए 2 कार्यक्रमों की जानकारी हमारी संवाददाता अंजलि से।
Thank you, Preeti. In March, we had our first in-person program for Women's Day celebration at Phoenix. The style workshop not only trained us on how to discover and find our personal style and pose for our Kodak moments, but also gave us the message that we must at all times celebrate the magic of being a woman. Our next program in the month of April was Padharo Mare Days. We all know that our connect with the outside world is through our 5 senses. So we brought to you a well-rounded program that completely unlocked all 5 of them. Apart from melodious Rajasthani folk music, what added depth to the excitement and learning was the well-curated quiz about incredible India. The icing on the cake? All our members went home with a handcrafted gift and expression of love and salute to the richness of Indian art and culture. And now, news from our NGO desk. Under the rainwater harvesting vertical, 2 bore wells in Ounce Indira Gandhi Model School were recharged, resulting in a saving of 7 lakh litres of water every monsoon. The education vertical was equally busy. They reached out to close to 65 plus students from 3 institutes in the form of spoken English and life skills classes.Moving on to our next segment, we bring on our next correspondent, Leena Sarat.
Thank you, Anjali. Who is a Swayamsiddha? Well, she certainly is an enigma, playing multiple roles with effortless expertise. One minute, she's a homemaker, and in the next, she can be an entrepreneur or a businesswoman with the same amount of dedication and sincerity. Sometimes a great inspiring leader, other times content in being a follower. She is truly an all-rounder. And she, my dear friends, is you. You are a Swayamsiddha in its truest sense. Over to you, Anjali.
Next, our final segment, Spectrum Trivia, from our very own member, Kalpana Merchant.
I joined Spectrum within a few years after it was formed. That time, so they were very strict about attendance. For some reason, if someone misses 3 consecutive meetings, then their membership is to be automatically terminated. And alas, it happened with me. I missed 3 consecutive meetings and boom, my membership was gone. I then took a break of few years and joined again Spectrum much later. And since then, I am a member.
तो ये थे आज के मुख्य समाचार। आशा है आप सब ने अपनी मेंबरशिप रिन्यू कर ली होगी और बड़ी आसानी से गूगल फॉर्म भी भर लिया होगा। मिलते हैं आप सभी से नए वर्ष में एक नए रंग में। धन्यवाद।